Hey, what's up everyone? I have some more news to share from the Strange Sounds Twitter page regarding different occurrences taking place in the world around us. So, let's get started. First, I would like to share with you, this article is not posted on here, but on the western Tennessee border, there was a 2.0 earthquake a couple of days ago. So, if you felt that, please let me know in the comment section below. And on this article, you see a rare 2.6 magnitude earthquake shook Maine as of 3 hours ago. This was reported. 911 telephone calls were inundated with calls about, the lines were inundated with calls about the rumble and boom that they felt. A magnitude 2.7 earthquake at the New Madrid fault zone as well. So I'm going to pull this article up here and read it. Was a rare and noisy magnitude 6.6 earthquake that shook at 6:46 p.m. on January 17, 2018, 4 miles southeast of Richmond, Maine. The town's police chief reported that the 911 telephone line was inundated with calls about the rumbles and booms. The tremor, as I prefer to call it, was felt as far away as Tosfam, but also in West Gardiner and Dresden. This was the first earthquake recorded in Maine since June. Meanwhile, a magnitude 2.7 earthquake hit the New Madrid fault zone on January 18, 2018. So another earthquake has struck near the Tennessee-Missouri border here, right in this location. So a second earthquake reported right there today near the Tennessee, Missouri, and Arkansas border, just west of Tennessee. People have reported houses and buildings shaking in nearby towns, such as Bodingham, Richmond, and Wiscasset, and Sabatus. A Richmond resident reported hearing a boom and feeling his house shake at 6:47 p.m. Nobody has reported any damage as of yet. They were just concerned what the rumble and boom was, particularly because a natural gas pipeline runs through Richmond. Meanwhile, a 2.7 earthquake just hit the New Madrid fault zone on January 18, 2018. So one that I was telling you about from a few days ago, another one hit that area. The strongest earthquake recorded in Maine was in the last 20 years hit East Waterboro in 2012 when it measured 4.5 in magnitude. So, an earthquake occurred in Missouri, near Tennessee, near the Tennessee border, from West Tennessee, and in Maine as well, just southwest, or at least south of Augusta. I'm sure you've heard these already, the strange sounds from the sky, the strange sky sounds phenomenon. I have actually heard some myself. We have. Usually in the southwestern sky, it sounds like a train horn, or for me, that's what I've heard, or a harmonious sound. It sounds like a boom, 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 boom. I can't imitate it, but it's like a train, but there shouldn't be a train sound coming from there, and it's coming from it usually comes from the southwest, from the southwestern sky for us. But I don't know what this one sounds like, so I'll have to check it out. Strange sounds in the sky and mysterious booms being reported in the United States, Canada, and the UK in January 2018. And nobody understands what's going on or can explain this phenomenon. Now, if you've heard any of this, please let me know. I've done a few previous videos regarding these strange booms and things like that, because I've been hearing many booms during the first part of the month. It kind of tapered off and I haven't heard it anymore. So As for this article, strange sounds have been reported in the sky and mysterious booms reported in the United States, Canada, and in the UK for 2018, and nobody understands or can explain what's going on. Mysterious booms, shaking houses, strange sounds in the sky. What the heck is going on in our sky and in underground? So this was reported from Texas. I'll let you be the judge on this. On January 8th, 2018, and uploaded to YouTube. It sounds kind of like a trumpet sound. Many people have reported hearing a trumpet sound that sounds very similar to a shofar horn, the Jewish trumpet of war. Strange sounds from the sky in the UK, January 15th, 2018. So let's play this video. This particular video regarding horn sounds and booms just occurred 3 days ago. Anyway, there's that video, and more strange sounds from the sky in Regina, Canada. This was posted on January 2nd, 2018. So around 16 days ago. They open the door and they hear these sounds.
Motherfucking trumpets.
I believe the guy said a couple of swear words in the video, so if you watch that, just be aware of that. I do apologize for that. But anyway, a mystery loud boom shocked and panicked residents after a suspected thunderstorm roared through this area of the UK on January 15, 2018, although the sound was heard around Merseyside. Most reports centered around the Wallasey area. A resident reports that all of my neighbors were out of their houses trying to figure out what it was and what was going on. They thought there had been an explosion. I know we have heard many sounds of explosions and things and thought, what the heck was that? And surely someone would be able to find out and figure out what it was, but never any answers. No one reported it, and yeah, but we felt that it shook our walls, and this was several years ago. This occurred in 2012 and 2013. It was consistent for a while before the sounds kind of tapered off and we didn't hear it anymore as often. I won't say anymore, but as often. And earlier this year and late last year it started again, and then kind of ceased again. But it was loud enough to shake the window and the wall, just like boom. Anyway, I didn't know what the heck it was, and I wondered if someone was lighting off explosives. It sounded like dynamite. We figured maybe someone was lighting explosives or blowing dynamite up or something, but no. I mean, as far as we know, there were no reports of that. And other people acted like they didn't hear it. He said, I didn't hear anything. We asked someone and they said, nope, they didn't hear anything. So That's what happened for us several times. In other news here, there have been multiple reports of a loud boom that shook the ground, shaking in the Midland Valley area of Aiken County in South Carolina on January 8th, 2018, but no earthquakes were reported on the USGS website, even though the booms were heard by many individuals. Out of nowhere, just this pow, just this huge explosion, a mysterious boom rattled North Oak Cliff, Texas, in North Texas on January 11, 2018, and residents have no idea what exactly it was or what it could mean. The explosive noise was heard around 8:34 p.m. Excuse me. Some reporting seeing a flash first when they heard the noise. Then the loud noise occurred. So they heard a flash in Texas, they seen a flash, and then heard this loud noise. So, as you can see, the news article here, and all rights go to the individuals who uploaded this, including the news agency as well. I just want to show you the clip.
Hundreds of people say they heard it. Mysterious boom, and also a flash of light in a North Texas neighborhood.
Jeff Paul started asking questions, and then he got an answer about what it might have been.
First, there's a flash and a pop, but about 4 seconds later, there's a boom.
Out of nowhere, just this pow.
Philip Washington was one of many North Oak Cliff who heard and felt the explosive noise.
That was, without a doubt, the loudest sound I have heard.
This astronomer Ron Julio says that no meteorite.
As it's coming in, it explodes, but as it's exploding, it's also passing the speed of sound.
Julio says hundreds of tons of meteorites are rarely on camera.
And you can hear the sound of the reverberation. The whole neighborhood shook from that.
From what he saw captured in the Julio estimates what the Earth's atmosphere is about the size of this grapefruit.
They just consider themselves lucky that they got an experience in life that a lot of people don't.
I know. Why didn't I do that? I should have wished for something, man.
In North Oak Cliff, I'm Jeff Paul, CBS 11 News.
Could you imagine if it happened at 11?
Oh, yeah, that would be crazy.
Triple wish.
Yeah, and then you should play the lotto.
Interesting here. 11:11 is, I usually try to use 11:11 to think of positive thoughts and healing. And 11:11, and I've noted time for me. I usually use that time with my mama or other hand, or try to think of positive thoughts or love. We usually try to use 11:11. So anyway, yeah, 11:11 is a significant number for me, significant time. That's it. Try to bring some healing and positivity to this world. Anyway, residents in Fannin and Gilmer counties in Georgia were trying to find the source of what is being described as a loud explosion, the boom that took place. Some residents reported that their homes were shaking from the blast, and what's been described as many sounds from heaven have been reported. Reports of these sounds from the sky, even from underground sometimes, which could be tunnels being built, who knows. A mysterious boom shook houses in Pewamo, Michigan on January 1st, 2018 at about 4 p.m. Reports came from all over the northeast Ionia County, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, from Carson City down to Westphalia, Lyons, Muir. So far, there have been no definitive answers as to what caused it. Speculation ranged from someone playing with dynamite to an Earth attack by North Korea. So, another explanation could be that the sound came from a frostquake, which they also stated back in 2012 when we had those polar vortexes consistently occurring. They said that many individuals' homes and ground experienced booms, and they called them frostquakes. So, what is going on in our skies and underground? What do you think is happening? Leave your comment in the section below as to what you think. Weird undulatus asperatus clouds engulf the sky over the state of Washington in the United States yesterday on January 17th, 2018. Images courtesy of Twitter and all of the uploaders who uploaded these images. I've captured many things like that. I hope I can find these pictures because I want to share them with you all. Icebergs with the moon in Greenland, a very nice image to end this video. They have a good and peaceful day or night. Here is here are the photos from the website. So some nice pictures to end this video with. Very peaceful images. Very beautiful images. So thank you for watching. In this disaster video, I decided to end it with a peaceful note and a calming scene. So much love, and I hope you're all doing well. Stay safe. Peace. Bye.